Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Thursday, the 10th of March. All right, looking at yesterday's markets, we only had one bit of data released. It was from the US, and it was the JOLTS job openings number. That came in better than expected at 11.26 million. US dollar, not a whole lot of movement yesterday. In fact, it actually did lose a little bit of ground against the Aussie dollar, the pound, but it did make a bit of ground against the Japanese yen. So that data itself not overly impacting in the market yesterday. The major impact or the biggest movers yesterday were the commodities. We saw a big sell-off on gold, and it has actually produced a railway track pattern, which I haven't used for a long time, but I will discuss at a further date in the future. But big sell-off on the commodities yesterday. All right, let's have a look at the chart of the day this morning, and the chart that I'm looking at is a Kiwi CAD on a daily timescale. Now, from this particular chart, you can see that I've been able to identify a falling channel. The bottom side has had 3 points already where the market has bounced off the bottom, and on the top we've had two times where we've come to that level and rejected. We are approaching it right now for a third time. So what I'd like to see is to see if I can get some kind of reversal to confirm for me in this highlighted region, so that the market comes there. It gives me my confirmation that the market could be reversing, and then that would be a signal for me to become a seller on that one. Channels are generally a high probability patterns when they occur in the right spot, and you get the confirmation to go along with that. So let's add the Kiwi CAD daily timescale onto our watch list, and we could get a setup over the next couple of days on this one. That is our chart of the day for this morning. All right, what is on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? We have this evening at 11:45 p.m. from Europe, we have the main refinancing rate and the monetary policy. So let's see if interest rates are going to start to move, or specifically in that policy statement, what the indicators are and what they say regarding the turmoil right now in Europe, and how it could possibly affect the policy decisions moving for the rest of the year. So this could be a big mover for the euro. Half an hour or 45 minutes later at 12:30, the ECB press conference happens, which is basically a conference where they talk about what they just released in terms of the rate statements. And also at the same time from the US, we have the CPI and core CPI numbers, which are due out. So bit of data for this session, look out for those. That pretty much wraps up for this morning, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can also follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.